Okay, so hello class again. Sorry na putol. Napindot ko kasi yung end recording. So proceed tayo dun sa SDG, ano na yun? SDG 15. So sinasabi to continue para para malabanan ang desertification. So ano nga ba ang desertification? So desertification means yung fertile na lupa na pwedeng pagtamnan is nagiging desert, nanunuyo na siya, drought, ganyan. Yan yung isa sa example ng desertification. And also para matigil and ma-reverse natin yung land degradation and matigil ang biodiversity loss. Yun lang ang sinasabi ng life on land. Bakit nga ba? Ano bang pakialam natin? Kasi, di ba, ang mundo natin is merong mga forest. So 31% of the world is home sa more than 80% ng terrestrial species of animals, plants, and insects. So kung nagde-decline ang biodiversity natin, may possibility na, anong tawag nito? May possibility na ma-extinct ang mga animals na to, which is, ang mga animals natin is very helpful. Malaki ang contribution nila sa buhay ng tao. Okay? Next is the peace, justice, and strong institutions, which is number 16. SDG number 16. So, sinasabi lang niya na inclusive societies, strong institutions, and equal access to justice. We have to promote just, peaceful, and inclusive societies. So, kailangan meron tayong access to justice para sa lahat. And we should have to build effective, accountable, and inclusive institutions to all levels. So, kailangan ng mga tao, meron silang freedom, hindi na sila takot sa kahit na anong violence, and dapat nakakaramdam sila ng safety kapag lumalabas sila ng bahay, kahit ano pa, regardless what are their ethnicity, anong paniniwala nila, and ano ang sexual orientation nila. Bakit nga ba, ano ba ang pakialam natin sa SDG 16? You know, mataas na kasi ang level ng violence and insecurity na nakaka-distract sa impact ng development ng isang bansa. Example dyan is yung sexual violence, mga krimen, exploitation, torture na nagkakaroon sa conflict or walang rule of law. So, sa government, civil society, and communities, kailangan magtulong-tulong para makahanap ng mahaba-habang solusyon sa conflict and insecurity. Siguro, kailangan ma-strengthen yung rule of law and ma-promote yung human rights para sa maging successful yung process na to, and also ma-reduce yung illicit arms, yung possession of illegal arms, and also pagko-combat sa corruption, and also guarantee or ensuring yung participation nating mga mamamayan at all times. Okay? Next, we have partnership for the goals or the SDG 17. So, sinasabi lang dyan na revitalize strong global partnerships for sustainable development. So, the 2030 agenda is universal and calls for action by all countries. So, developed, past tense, and developing. Kailangan ma-ensure natin na walang naiiwan. So, kailangan magkaroon ng partnership ang lahat ng governments, private sector, and civil society sa buong mundo. Ang sinasabi lang ng SDG 17 is kailangan magsama-sama tayo to achieve yung natitirang SDG 16. So everyone will need to mobilize both existing and additional resources And yung mga developed countries, kailangan nilang ma-fulfill yung official development and assistance commitment sa ibang bansa. So, kailangan sama-sama tayo, hindi lang yung government natin. Kailangan, yun nga, ma-ensure natin na walang maiiwan. Hindi ka naiiwan. Ganon. So, what can you do to help? You have to join or create a group in your local community na kung saan makakagawa kayo ng action or implementation sa SDGs. Okay? And hindi nyo ba napapansin na ang 17 na SDGs na to is interconnected? Kapag hindi mo na-meet yung isa, maapektuhan yung isa. Kapag na-meet mo, lahat na-achieve. Hindi man natin siya ma-achieve by 2030, but at least meron man tayong konting improvement, and it will all begin in ourselves. So if we have discipline, we can help to achieve 17 SDGs. So thank you very much for listening, and I'm sorry kung naputol siya. Ituloy nyo na lang siyang panoorin.